Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect iVCam using a USB cable. First, I have already installed iVCam on my phone, so I am going to open settings. Then go to about phone and tap on the software version a few times to unlock developer mode. I have already done this, so I will open developer option. Revoke USB debugging permission first, then enable USB debugging again and open the iVCam. Now allow access to your camera and microphone, and on your computer, open your browser. Search for iVCam and go to the official website, then download the PC version. I already have it downloaded, so next on the website, click on connect via USB. Scroll down and download the USB drivers for your phone. Choose the version that matches your mobile brand. If you don't see your device listed, you can search on Google and download the correct driver. I have already installed my phone's USB driver, so now I will install iVCam on my computer. Once it's installed, open it and connect your phone using a USB cable. After that, you will see a pop-up on your phone. Just tick allow and tap OK. After that, it should connect automatically. I got an error at first because my screen recorder was running, but after closing it, you can see it connected successfully. And that's it. Now you can use iVCam through your USB cable. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.